For many days there was no sight of poetry. I thought it had bolted for good. However, one day poetry made its appearance. Its body bore the marks of whiplashes. I asked, "What's wrong?" It answered, gasping. I tried to be a paragon of poetry, but it dragged me into custody. I asked, "Where were you so long?" It looked around fearfully, uttered nothing. I asked again, "Where were you, poetry?" Poetry answered, shivering, "In the interrogation room, in the detention camp." I tried to safeguard it, but poetry said, "How can you give me protection? Can you? Can you really? Go there and have one look. There, humanity has been sentenced to death."